Are you ready to reveal a new you for the new year?
I'm sure a lot of people are.
Yeah.
And there's a procedure out there that can help reduce wrinkles as well as sun damage to your skin.
It's called Pro Laser Resurfacing, and here to talk about it today is Nisha McKenzie from Carlson Laser Aesthetics, and we've got one of the patients here too, Brenda Bennett, who's undergone the Pro procedure actually 2 weeks ago.
Yep. Yeah. And first, I guess one of the things is it painful? Oh. Brenda?
Not very painful at all. It was a very easy procedure to have done.
Okay, let's talk about it a little bit. What is the procedure and who should get it?
The Pro procedure is it's a unique wavelength. It's a 2790 nanometer wavelength. It's essentially considered our modern day chemical peel.
Okay.
So what it does is it minimizes downtime, maximizes results, minimizes pain. I do put a topical anesthesia on you. So the benefit is you don't need a surgery, a general surgery. You don't need, it's outpatient.
Wonderful. So that's nice. You can just come in and you can leave looking fresh and beautiful. So we do have some video of this taking place. We have Brenda. You're kind enough to let us come and kind of spy while this was happening. How did it feel?
Well, it feels like little pops on your face. I would say, Nisha asked me on a scale of 1 to 10 how much it hurt, and I would say maybe a 2. I mean, it's not very painful at all. It surprises you more than hurts you because you hear the little pops, and it's more of a more of a jump based on the sensation than a pain. It's not painful at all.
Okay. Now, was it a long procedure? How long did it take?
About 20 minutes.
The Pro procedure for a face takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It's not long at all.
And these are the before pictures we have before Brenda went in and had it done, and obviously we see her after. She's sitting here today.
Beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Nisha, what can a person expect? What kind of results would they get? Because
we can do the Pro for a lot of different things. For Brenda, we did it for scarring, the pitted scarring. Some people have acne scarring or chickenpox scarring. Anything that causes that pitting in the face, we can kind of resurface the skin and create more collagen to fill in those holes. But the Pro is actually FDA approved to treat wrinkles. We can treat brown spots, sun damage. It'll actually just erase the sun damage that you've had over the years on your face. So.
And now, does this all improve with just one treatment, or do you need 2, or what is the protocol? Is it different for everybody?
It is different for everybody. It depends on the severity. If there's minimal sun damage, 1 treatment will do it. Sometimes with severe acne scarring, we'll do 2 or 3. I would say on average people will usually do 2 treatments.
Okay, so we've learned a little bit about it. Let's talk about cost now, because everyone's saying, okay, now I know I want to do it. What's it going to set me back?
The cost for the Pro procedure typically is $1,000 for 1 procedure, or $1,600 for 2. What happens is you get your kind of your pre and post care with that. We give you some skincare products and that type of thing. And then right now we're actually running a special with our Pro.
Oh, really?
And for the holidays, because everybody kind of wants
to do it this gift,
time.
Everyone.
Exactly. And so right now you can get them for $9.99 for two procedures.
Wow, that's pretty great. Actually, a good deal.
But when you consider actually having a facelift or the cost involved with that, it's much more affordable for people.
And the time as well with something like that would be more. It would be more of a recovery as well.
Exactly.
Missed work and
they call it social downtime with this procedure. So it depends on how social you want to be, right? But it's 3 to 5 days typically of social downtime. As you can see, Brenda had it 2 weeks ago.
You look fantastic,
look like
Brenda.
Thank you.
You kind of have a glow about your skin, which is so nice. And I think that's what a lot of people are looking for these days.
It helps refresh the skin and decrease your pore size.
A great gift to yourself, perhaps, because we are starting a new year. A lot of people are getting on health regimens, exercise, and they want to look great in many new ways. And so,
if it's not a Christmas gift, maybe a gift for the year 2010.
That's right.
Something like that. We'll just bring in a new one. Your social downtime and a gift for 2010.
That's right.
So if people have additional questions, beyond what we talked about today, how do they get those questions to you, Nisha?
They can either go to our website. You can go to carlsonskin.com. They can call us. I don't know if you guys have our phone numbers up there.
Yeah,
so
363-3640. That's area code 616. And you have a great location. You're located on the East Belt Line.
Yep, right near Knapp's Corner.
Yeah, and so, well, great. It's wonderful. You do. You look fantastic.
Lovely.
Yeah, she does.
And your skin is so smooth. It makes your skin feel like a baby's butt.
Really? We all like that. That's fresh, non-been in the sun, non-been damaged with all the bad things we do or perhaps eat. It's a good cleansing to kind of get you started for the new year. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Nisha and Brenda, for coming on the show today and sharing what you're doing to make people look handsome and beautiful.
Thank you. Smooth skin.
Yeah,
very smooth skin. And speaking of presents, Christmas is now just 2 days away.
Oh my goodness, it's getting so close.